guys see? Oh wait. Oh no. Wait. Ta-da! Oh, hey, you know, just a casual Saturday. Wait, it's not even Saturday. Just a casual Friday, minding my business with my new iMAC. Welcome to my channel, All Things Trees. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when new content is dropping. If you are returning, thank you for your love and support as always. Make sure you like it and comment it. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so at this time. Today's video, we'll be talking about the one and only brand new 2021 iMAC. It comes in a variety of colors. The iMAC is supposed to be the fastest one yet with the M1 chip. It's 24 inches with a 4.5 Retina display. The iMac on the first day of pre-order, which was April 30th, and it was expected delivery time was from May 21st to I believe May 27th. So luckily for me, I was able to get it on the first day as promised. It shipped the night before, overnight UPS. Decided I was gonna get an iMac, so I did my research on the ones that were out there, and I realized it was coming out with a brand new one. So I'm like, and it come in colors. So I remember being a kid and seeing the big vibrant iMacs, and it just made you want to do work. It just made you want to look like you were doing work. Like, so of course my handle is pink, which I think is so cute, and this is so freaking heavy. Like, I struggled getting it upstairs. So hi, she says hello. Hi. What? Hello. But it's upside down. But this is the front. All right. Let's try this again. That's more like it. And as you can see, this says hello. And I don't know. Oh, let me follow directions. 2 arrows. Can you guys see that? Look. Oh my God, that's so cool. What in the Heezy? That is so freaking cool and cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, let's get started. It's so light compared to how heavy the box was. I thought it was gonna be so heavy. Oh wow. All right, so let's get into this unboxing. Oh, I am so clumsy. This is oddly satisfying, actually. I still can't get over the fact they actually paired red with pink. Like, I do not like this at all. It should have just been all pink. I would prefer even white in the back. Like, ew. Apple is fancy with their direction. They want you to do all these arrows, and I'm just messing up their beautiful design by just doing it how the hell I think I should do it. I'm sure they did not have this in mind. This is the back of the 24-inch new iMac in the pink color. This is so skinny. It's so beautiful. This is the reveal. Are you ready? OMG. Look at this beauty. Oh, is it me you're looking for? Yes. I've been looking for you my whole life. OMG, y'all. Okay, we got some of the other goodies in here, so I'll put to the side while we open the rest of the goodies. Okay, so now we have, I just can't get over how this like opens and closes. Like, that was just brilliant. Definitely get into this. I had so much fun with this box. I don't want to get rid of it. There's 3 different versions of the iMac, and I opted to get the second version. So with the 8-core CPU and the 8-core GPU, it also comes with a Ethernet cord, and it's the Magic Keyboard Touch ID, USB 3 port, 2 Thunderbolt.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And 2 Thunderbolt ports as well. If you get the version that's under, you don't get as many ports. I believe you get 2 ports. You don't get an Ethernet cord, and you also don't get the Touch ID Magic Keyboard. It could bend back, it could bend forward, and it's just nice and sleek. Like, look at the size of this. Like, the Apple. What is this? The power button. Here you will have the 4 USB ports as mentioned, and also on the side you will have your headphone jack. Just beautiful. Next we have the keyboard. So this keyboard in particular, I purchased the one that came with the Touch ID. This around, and it has the Apple logo on the back. So it's nice, it's cute, it's very lightweight, and it just sits right there. We turn this around, it matches perfectly. And now we have the wireless Magic mouse. So smooth, sleek, and it also matches the color of the iMac. All the colors are identical with the pink. Wireless port cable. This is can go into the ports in the back. You can charge your mouse, and it also can charge your keypad. As you can see, it's wired. Nice thick quality. Not like the stuff that we're used to, where it kind of bends and it breaks easily. We're like, Apple, please give us more. This is really good quality. So then I purchased the package that came with the Ethernet cord, just because for one, it came with more things. I wanted the Touch ID, and also why not, right? You never know what situation you're gonna be in. So I connected this already, and same material, same quality material, which is great because we know how MacBook computers, wires are usually, and it comes with the red extension. We're gonna set this baby up, put everything together. All right, so we're gonna get started with placing the iMac to the back so we can get it plugged in. So as you can see, this is the back of the iMac, and those are the 4 USB ports that comes with this particular iMac device. So you're going to take your cord and plug it into the adapter in order to get your power and everything situated. So here we have the power cord you're going to plug inside. So as you can see, it is magnetic. So as I was feeling around, I felt the magnet pulling the cord towards where it needed to go in. So once I was able to put it in, it automatically snapped into place. And as you can see, I was tugging just to make sure it was in there correctly, and it is very strong. So this cord is very heavy duty, and I think it'll last. So once I turned on the computer, it prompted us to turn on our wireless keyboard and wireless Magic mouse. How cute is that it's saying hello in a trillion different languages? Like, I love this. My pink is just nice. Like, I'm just really ready to like set it up. Where's hello? There we go. That's what I know. Oh wait, that's not what I know, but now I know. Hello. So the package came with 2 different colorful stickers. Whatever computer you got, it came with the matching stickers, which I thought was a nice touch, since we usually always get the white regular stickers from Apple each time we purchase something. So the first thing I wanted to do was set up my desktop wallpaper to match my aesthetic of my home office. So I just went to Google, did a quick search of some motivational quotes. I am someone that's big on quotes. And after 2 failed attempts, I was able to successfully download a desktop wallpaper and add it as my background. You know how fast all my footage just airdropped to this iMac? What the what? Wow. Okay. Now we're gonna try out the microphone and the speakers. With this, we're going to type in photo booth. We're going to see what's going on. Y'all, me being me, I done did something, so now I got to restart it. Child, I'm always messing something up. Oh. This is not what I was trying to do. Okay, so this is a test to see how well the built-in microphone and speakers work. I'm doing it strictly from the iMac itself, so don't let me down. I'm rooting for you. We're all rooting for you. Let's see if you got the power to give us what we need. All right, so let's about to hear it. Okay, so this is a test to see how well the built-in microphone and speakers work. I'm doing it strictly from the iMac itself, so I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality. It sounds really, really good. Better in person, actually. So good, it's been moving pretty fast. The video quality is good. The camera is good. The speakers, the microphone, everything has just been so perfect so far. It is so light that you literally can just pick up and move to a different place if you want to. There's no strain, none of that. All the accessories that it comes with is just absolutely stunning. Like, look at this mouse. It's so smooth. It's so perfect. And this is my very first iMac, so I'm super excited about it. And so far, it is like doing well. What I will say though is that I don't like the fact it doesn't have the old USB, but we know that that's been out for a while. Because I bought a brand new external hard drive, and I'm like, how am I supposed to connect it? But I think that I'm overthinking it, and it may be another way, but I'm just not using my brain. I don't know, but so far so good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you like or what you don't like about the new iMac. Is the color? Is the shape? Is it because, you know, you're used to the old iMac? Tell me what you don't like about it. Tell me what you love about it. Make sure you like, comment, and definitely make sure you subscribe so you can get more content coming from me on my channel, All Things Streets. Again, thank you for your love and support, and thank you for watching.